Good morning, guys, or a good day, good evening, whatever time it is in your location. Today I'm continue with my second day of optimization, and I will show you what results we got so far from our optimization yesterday. So I will start out with the account where we had a couple of products for sale. Let's see if we got any results. Well, we definitely got ourselves a winning product right here, a bra that we saw yesterday, which is not even a bra. Right now we have 7 purchases, the total, and if we're going to split it or just look at the data from, let's say, yesterday and from today, I want to, even day before, so let's take a look for 3 last days. So I have purchases from those 2 assets. Let's see what my CTR score looks like. Well, doesn't look good. My reach for those 3 days is pretty good. Almost 3,000 people here for impressions. Alright, and right here, not even add to cart. So I'm going to close this ad set, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this ad set is not really working for me. I'm closing it down, and I'm leaving with those 3 assets. Let's filter them out by active asset. Yeah, alright, so we got 6 sales from those assets. We spent almost £100 on those sales, and our best price per sale is £10. From UK we got 3 sales. Let's see. Let's try and break it down by a platform. Let's see if we have any I don't know, updates from yesterday. So audience network definitely not working. No one really using it, or messenger in for that matter. What do we have here? Okay, just a moment. Okay, I just want to see where those sales come from exactly, and what platforms. So let's split it again. Okay, we got one from Instagram and another one from Instagram, Facebook, 2 from free. Okay, so we have 3 for free, we have 3 from Facebook and 3 from Instagram. I'm going to edit those ad sets by placement. So I will go to this one. I will remove anything else other than Facebook and Instagram. We don't need them, obviously. So I will go to placement. Come on, I hate it when it does that. Alright, so I will go to edit placement, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove audience network and messenger from here. We don't need it. Okay, same thing goes to another 2. I will try to edit them at the same time. I'm actually very surprised that we got sales from Instagram. I never consider it as a very serious platform that people actually use in order to buy stuff. Apparently it is very strange. Alright, and I will publish those. Okay, I'm getting my coffee a little bit, just a moment. It's kind of early for me, or at least I feel very sleepy. Okay, let's continue. What do we have here? So it's time for me to update this list, since I already have my, let's say, winning product. I didn't make $1 million with it yet, but it looks positive. I would say that. So as I understand, my client has more products in his store. Let me just take a look what products does she has there. Okay, so we have lingerie category, swimwear, homewear, okay, beauty accessories. This is the website. Okay, so we have this and this and this, something new. I didn't try that before. What the fuck? Clothes, no thank you. Alright, so let me show you how I'm working when I want to upload a new product. That's my list. That's my list by category and by product. So right now, for, let's see which category is that. I think it's lingerie. Okay, so for lingerie, I think I only have one product till now, which works pretty good, and I have this. Let's see what it is. Okay, that's what I have. This bra with this beautiful lady on the picture. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to upload, I think, few of those products right now. No, not this. Yes, I'm going to use, I think, this one, lace bralette and lace and satin PG sets. I think their pictures here are pretty nice. I'm wondering about the price of the product because it's a little bit more expensive than this bra. So let's see what we're going to get. The simplest way for me is to actually duplicate all of this. I will duplicate the whole campaign and just leave it as it is, and I will advertise to that specific audience another bra, and let's see what happens. I will show it to you tomorrow, so stay tuned. I see you then. Goodbye.